Today is the 19th of August, and I'm here at a place having lunch in Cali at La Hacienda del Bosque. Bosque is forest, and this is literally at the end of the Cali. And the zoo is nearby here, and this is spectacular grounds. And when I saw it on a friend recommended first, and when I saw it on the web, the photos, it looked more like a wedding reception type of a place, and they hardly show these outdoor things. And it is just spectacular. It's a beautiful day, and I'm really glad that Jessica recommended me this place. I mean, it's just spectacular. So, and they obviously have a lot of staff because I mean, they bring food in no time after you order it, and so I kind of waited almost an hour, and I'm trying to pace myself, but the food was coming so fast that this is just spectacular. It's according to, I can't read it, I mean, I can't understand everything, but it's like this dates back to like 1911. And so it's just beautiful. C'est la vie.